So now we are going to learn how to mix Cetrotide. Cetrotide comes in a box that looks like this. You're going to need the contents of this box, an alcohol pad, and your sharps disposal kit. So when you open the box, you're going to see this. There is a pre-filled syringe with liquid, 2 needles, one with a yellow top and one with a gray top, and a vial that has powder in it. So the yellow top is your mixing needle. The gray top is your injection needle. So the first thing we want to do is mix the medication. So we just kind of pop this lid off here and then pop the yellow top off. Can be kind of difficult. Then you're going to twist the two together and then you pull the lid off. You're going to take this big fat needle. This is not what you inject yourself with. And you are going to put it into this vial here. Inject all of that liquid and then just mix it up. Sometimes this takes a few minutes to dissolve, so you're just going to kind of swirl it gently until all of that powder goes away. Then you are going to kind of put that needle all the way down at the bottom and tilt the vial to the side. And you're going to pull back on the syringe until all of that liquid comes out. You might even see some air bubbles coming in. That's a good thing. That means you got it all. And then you are going to switch needles to your injection needle. So you're going to twist off that yellow needle. And then you are going to open that gray one. It can be a little difficult. Like I said, kind of tight packaging. Then you're going to twist this on. Make sure, and then pull that lid off. You're just going to make sure that there's no air bubbles in there by pushing up on the plunger while the needle is facing straight up. See if there's like one little drop of medication that comes out the top. There it is. Now you're ready for your injection.